Hello friends, in this video we are checking out how to create an email account. So whenever you log into your Cpanel account, find in functions, email, or just go in the email section, you will get the email accounts option there. Click on email accounts. Now here add an email account. Here just type the username that you want, like alex@amchannel.in or amol@amchannel.in, likewise. So here I'll create info@amchannel.in. This is my username, likewise info@amchannel.in, and I will create one password there. Here one random password will create by clicking on generate, and here it needs the password strength must be more than 65%. Again retype the password, copy and paste it here, or else you can just give your password that you remind, but make sure it is most strength password than 65%. It will show it here, and you can define the mailbox quota from here. If you want to give unlimited space for that email space, you can mention it from here, from this checkbox, or let it on 1024 MB, or you can increase it as you want. Okay, I'll put it as it is, and make sure this checkbox to send welcome email with mail client configuration instructions. I'll check it and I'll create account. Okay, now our account of info@amchannel.in is created. So while logging to our email account, you need to specify your website address, amchannel.in/webmail, to get the login page here. You will get the webmail login page, and here type your username or email address, and make sure the password is correct and click on login. Now here, before logging it, at first time you will get these three options: hot, round cube and squirrel mail. Make sure that you want to use a regular option, set it as default and click that option to get login. Three of the options have different user interface, so that roundcube has this type of user interface, and while creating email account we have kept this checkbox click so that we have received this email configuration setting, so that we can configure it to our Gmail or another email accounts. So in this video you have now well known about how to create your webmail or email account from Cpanel and how to access your webmail account. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and make sure please like and subscribe our channel.